Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add the Google Tag Manager code to your Hubspot content so you can track activity across your landing pages, website pages, blogs, and knowledge base. By integrating Google Tag Manager with Hubspot, you can easily manage tracking codes and monitor your marketing performance. Let's get started. First, log in to your Hubspot account. Click the Settings icon in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar menu, scroll down to Website. From the drop-down menu, click Pages. Next, open the Integrations tab. Now check the box that says Integrate with Google Tag Manager. Then, enter your Google Tag Manager ID in the text field. After that, click Save to apply your changes. This connects Google Tag Manager to all your Hubspot-hosted content automatically. You can also add the Google Tag Manager code manually. This method is useful if you only want specific domains to be tracked. First, go to your Google Tag Manager account and copy the container code snippets. Then return to Hubspot. Now paste the code snippets you copied from Google Tag Manager. Add the JavaScript code snippet into the Site Header HTML field. Then paste the second code snippet into the Site Footer HTML section. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. That's how you add the Google Tag Manager code to your Hubspot content. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Hubspot tutorials.